Hello my colleagues, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on the channel, you are absolutely welcome. In today's video, I'll be breaking down step by step how you can get started as a beginner investor in 2025 with as little as 100,000 naira. I'll show you how to grow your money smartly and safely. And here's the best part. This strategy works even if you have less than 100k or if you have more than 100,000 naira. The principles I will share apply no matter the size of your investment capital. Before we dive in, if you're interested in business and finance related content, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join my WhatsApp community or channel. There will be a link in the description, and also my Telegram channel. That's where I share exclusive investment tips and opportunities to help you make better financial decisions. All right, without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Now, the first step we want to take is to divide our capital into three parts in the ratio of 50,000 naira, 30,000 naira, and 20,000 naira. 50k will go into very low risk investment opportunities, which I will be sharing with you. 30,000 naira will go into medium risk, and the remaining 20,000 will go into very high risk investment. All right, let's talk about low risk investment, especially for Nigerians. This is where we want to allocate our 50,000 naira capital, ensuring it goes into safe and stable options that provide steady income while minimizing risk. The first low risk investment opportunity on this list is federal government bond, FGN saving bonds. These are among the safest investment options in Nigeria because they are backed by the government. Here is how it works. So you lend money to the government and they pay you interest every quarter. At the end of the bond term, you get your initial 50,000 naira back. Now, this is how you get started in investing in FGN bond. The first step you want to take is to visit a stockbroker like Meristem, Arm Securities, or Afri Invest. You can easily find them online, or you can go to the Play Store to search for Afri Invest and download the app. I actually have a YouTube video on how to invest in the FGN bond. You can click on the card above to go watch that video. The next step is to open an account and indicate interest in FGN saving bonds by sending an email to support. That's if you are using Afri Invest. Then the next step is to purchase bonds during the monthly subscription period with as little as 5,000 naira. Yes, FGN bonds offer a guaranteed return of around 9 to 12% annually. That is actually stable and predictable income for a beginner. Another excellent low risk option is mutual funds, specifically money market funds. Here is how it works. A fund manager pulls money from multiple investors and invests in low risk assets like treasury bills and commercial papers. You earn regular returns based on the fund's performance. Now, this is how to start. The first step you want to take is to sign up with investment platforms like Stanbic IBTC, ARM, or Cowrywise. If you're looking for a better and digital and seamless platform, I would advise you make use of Cowrywise by downloading the app using my link in the description or visiting the Google Play Store. Once you download the app, you want to then look for their money market fund and invest a minimum amount of around 5,000 naira. You deposit your 50k and watch it grow steadily with minimal risk. Next on our list of low risk investment options, we have high paying dividend stocks. You see, while stocks are generally riskier, some companies pay consistent and high dividends, making them a great low risk option. Here is how it works. You buy shares in established Nigerian companies known for regular dividend payouts. Example includes Dangote Cement and Zenith Bank or even UBA Bank, and then you make money once they pay these dividends. This is how to invest in dividend stock. The first step you want to take is to download or use platforms like Trove or Bamboo, or even open an investment account with Afri Invest. Then you go ahead to research the dividend paying stock you want to buy. I will recommend Zenith Bank or UBA Bank. Then you invest your 50,000 naira in one or two companies and enjoy yearly or biannual dividend payments. I love this particular low risk option because these stocks provide passive income through dividends, and the stock value may also appreciate over time, making me money in two different ways: dividend payments and capital appreciation. Finally, in our low risk option, we have converting our 50k to USDT stable coins that is pegged to the US dollar. Why does this make sense, you might be wondering? You see, Nigeria's currency, the naira, has experienced significant devaluation over the years. For example, in 2023, 700 naira could buy 1 US dollar. Today in 2024, it takes 1,650 naira to buy the same $1. Imagine if you had converted 50k to USDT in January of 2023, it would be worth more than double in naira value today. So this is how to start. You want to open an account on a trusted crypto exchange like Bybit or BitGet. I have a link to all these platforms in the comment section. I also made a video on how to buy USDT with Bybit, so you can click on the card above to go watch that video if you're interested in converting your naira to USDT. So in continuation, once you have signed up on these platforms, you deposit your 50,000 naira and then you go ahead to convert it to USDT. Like I said, I made a video step by step that walks you through how to use Bybit. You can click on the card above to go watch that video if you are looking at leveraging on this particular option. You see, USDT is considered a low risk because it is pegged to the US dollar, but you want to ensure you are using reputable exchanges to avoid scams or hacking risk. By holding your money in USDT, you hedge against the devaluation of the naira while maintaining liquidity. It is very, very easy to convert your USDT back to naira or use it for other investment options like buying crypto when needed. Here is how you could structure your low risk investment. You can invest 20,000 naira in FGN saving bonds for guaranteed returns, 15k in a money market fund for steady growth, and then 15k in USDT to hedge against the naira devaluation and maintain liquidity. Alternatively, you could go all in and convert the entire 50,000 naira to USDT if your primary goal is to protect your capital from currency devaluation. By the way, if you had chosen the route of converting all your 50,000 naira to USDT in early of 2024, you would have made more money from this strategy than actually investing in FGM bonds or even mutual funds. Now, let's talk about the medium risk portion of our 30,000 naira capital. This is where we aim for growth. While there is some risk involved, the potential returns makes it worth considering. For this section, we'll focus on stocks and exchange traded funds, ETFs. Starting with stocks. So what are stocks? Stocks are shares of companies that allow you to own a piece of their business. With the right choices, you can benefit from both dividend payments and appreciation of the stock price over time. I hope that makes sense. This is how to start investing in stocks in Nigeria. One is to choose a platform. Platforms like Trove, Bamboo, or Chaka makes it easy for Nigerians to invest in both local and international stocks. Then, once you have chosen your platform, you want to open an account, verify your identity, and deposit your 30,000 naira. I actually have an in-depth video on how to get started investing in the Nigerian stock market using these platforms I just mentioned, so you can click on the card above to go watch the video. The next step then is to find good stocks. You want to look for companies with strong fundamentals. Quick plug: if you are really interested in making or growing your wealth from the stock market, then I would encourage you to check out a straightforward course I created called The Unconventional Investor. In the course, I shared strategies I have never reviewed before that I personally use to find good stocks to buy and invest into. I also share how to leverage artificial intelligence to find undervalued companies. You can check it out using the link on your screen or the comment section and description. So back to the video. Next is to check for dividends. Companies like Dangote Cement, Zenith Bank, and UBA Bank are known for paying consistent dividends. Then you want to look at the valuation. Always avoid overvalued stocks by comparing their price to earning ratio to their industry average. Then finally, when it comes to stocks, you want to diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all your 30,000 naira into one stock. For example, you could invest 15,000 naira in Zenith Bank and 15,000 naira in Dangote Cement or even BUA Cement. This spreads your risk while giving you exposure to different sectors. Now, why are stocks medium risk? Well, stocks can be volatile in the short term due to market fluctuation. But if you know what you are doing and invest in strong companies and hold for the long term, the returns often outweigh the risk. And that's why if you're a total beginner I would encourage you to invest in getting the unconventional investor in order to know how to find very good companies to buy. Next on our medium risk, we have investing in ETFs, which are exchange traded funds. ETFs are a collection of different stocks or other assets bundled together into one investment. They are a great option for beginners because they are diversified by design. This is how to invest in ETFs. One is to choose a platform. Trove and Bamboo, which I have mentioned previously, also offer ETFs. Look for them under the global markets or fund section of the application. International platforms like RiseVest or Passfolio can also give you access to ETFs. Once you have chosen a platform, you want to then find the right ETFs. Here are some recommended ETFs for Nigerian investors. One is the Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, VT. This provides exposure to thousands of stocks globally, offering excellent diversification. We also have the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, SPY. This particular ETF tracks the performance of the S&P 500, which includes the top 500 companies in the United States. Then we have the iShares MXCI Emerging Markets ETFs. This particular ETF offers exposure to companies in emerging markets, including Africa. Finally, in Nigeria, we have the New Gold ETF, which is listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. This ETF tracks the price of gold, which is a safe haven asset. Once you have found the right ETF you want to invest in, you want to then proceed in allocating your 30,000 naira wisely. You can split your 30k between one or two ETFs. For example, you can invest 15,000 naira in the SPDR S&P 500 ETF for exposure to global giants like Apple and Microsoft. Then you invest the remaining 15,000 naira in the New Gold ETF to hedge against market volatility with gold. Here's my bonus tip for medium risk investments. You want to start small, reinvest your dividends, and stay consistent. All right, now let's dive into the most exciting and potentially rewarding part of our investment strategy, the high risk investment. This is where we allocate our 20,000 naira with the goal of achieving higher returns. But remember, the higher the potential reward, the higher the risk. For this part, we will explore cryptocurrencies and meme coins, two areas that have gained massive attention in recent years. Starting with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets powered by blockchain technology. They have proven to be high risk but high reward investments, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the pack. Cryptocurrencies are high risk because prices can be very volatile, rising and falling at a very huge rate in a single day. But regardless, there is money to be made in this market, and this is how to invest in cryptocurrencies. One is that you need to open an account on a trusted exchange. You want to make use of platforms like Binance, Bybit, or BitGet. I have links in the description and comment section to help you get started. Once you have downloaded the app, you want to then sign up and verify your account and go ahead to deposit your 20,000 naira. Choose the coins you want to buy wisely. For beginners, you want to start with established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are less risky than newer coins, but still have high growth potential. You want to allocate 10,000 naira to Bitcoin and 10,000 naira to Ethereum to split the risk. I have video on the channel on altcoins to buy. You can check it out and see if you want to probably invest your money in altcoins other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. The next high risk, high reward opportunity we have are meme coins. Meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have created millionaires overnight. Meme coins are high risk play because their value is driven more by hype than the actual use case of the coin. They can also rise or fall based on social media trends, celebrity endorsements, or speculative trading. When it comes to investing in meme coins, you want to do your research. Look for coins with an active community and strong marketing. Always avoid rug pulls and scam coins by researching the project, the team, and the roadmap of the coin. Then you want to start small. Allocate 5,000 naira of your 20k to meme coins. Spread this amount across 2 to 3 meme coins to reduce the risk of total loss of your money. Finally, you want to monitor these coins very closely. Meme coins are not buy and forget like stocks. You want to keep your eye on the market trend and be ready to exit when prices skyrocket in price. When prices spike up. Bonus tip is to always treat meme coins like a lottery ticket, or you can say gambling. Don't rely on them as your main investment strategy. To wrap everything in this video up, let's quickly go through how we divided our 100k. 50,000 naira will go into low risk investments like federal government bonds, mutual funds, and USDT to safeguard your capital. 30,000 naira would go into medium risk investments, which include stocks and ETFs for steady growth. Then 20k in high risk investments. Example includes cryptocurrencies and meme coins for higher returns. This strategy works because you are diversifying your investments, which spreads your risk across different asset classes. You are combining safety with growth and speculative opportunities to maximize your returns while protecting your capital. So there you have it, guys. That's how to get started investing as a total beginner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up by smashing the like button and subscribing to the YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are looking to start their investment journey in 2025. For those who want more guidance, check out my course, The Unconventional Investor. This is where I break down everything you need to know about Nigerian and the US stock market, and even go the extra mile in teaching you how to use AI to find good crypto coins and building your portfolio. The link is in the description and comment section. Finally, let me know in the comments how you plan to divide your 100,000 naira, or if you have any questions about the strategies we discussed today, ask it in the comment section. I'll see you there, answer all your questions, and see you in the next video. They will.